Wood furniture style encompasses a wide array of design aesthetics that utilize wood as a primary material, reflecting various cultural influences, historical contexts, and personal tastes. This style is not merely about the physical characteristics of the furniture. It also embodies a philosophy that emphasizes craftsmanship, functionality, and the beauty of natural materials. Understanding wood furniture style and its significance can inspire individuals to create spaces that resonate with their values and enhance their living environments. At its core, wood furniture style is characterized by the inherent qualities of wood itself. Each type of wood possesses unique grain patterns, colors, and textures, which contribute to the overall aesthetic of a piece. From the rich hues of mahogany to the light tones of pine, wood offers a diverse palette that can be tailored to fit various design preferences. This natural variety allows for endless creativity in furniture design, enabling artisans and designers to express their artistic visions while maintaining the integrity of the material. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the reasons we should pay attention to wood furniture style is its historical significance. Throughout history, wood has been used in furniture making, reflecting the craftsmanship and cultural values of different periods. For example, during the Renaissance, intricate carvings and ornate details were hallmarks of wood furniture, showcasing the skill of artisans and the wealth of their patrons. In contrast, the mid-century modern movement emphasized simplicity and functionality, favoring clean lines and organic forms. By understanding these historical contexts, we can appreciate how wood furniture style has evolved and how it continues to influence contemporary design. The emotional connection that wood furniture fosters is another reason to embrace this style. Many people have memories associated with wooden pieces, whether it's a family dining table where countless meals were shared or a handcrafted rocking chair that has been passed down through generations. These connections can imbue wood furniture with a sense of history and warmth, making it much more than just functional items. The stories behind these pieces enhance their significance, creating a sense of belonging and continuity within the home. In addition to its emotional resonance, wood furniture style promotes a sense of sustainability and environmental consciousness. As concerns about climate change and environmental degradation grow, many consumers are seeking out sustainable furniture options. Wood, when sourced responsibly, can be an eco-friendly choice. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are harvested in a way that maintains ecological balance, allowing for the continued availability of this precious resource. By choosing wood furniture, individuals can support these sustainable practices and contribute to a healthier planet. Furthermore, the versatility of wood furniture style allows it to adapt to various design trends and personal preferences. Whether one prefers a rustic, farmhouse aesthetic or a sleek, modern look, wood can be incorporated into virtually any style. This adaptability makes wood furniture a timeless choice, as it can seamlessly blend with other materials and design elements. The ability to mix and match different wood finishes, colors, and textures opens up a world of creative possibilities for homeowners and designers alike. Wood furniture style also emphasizes craftsmanship and quality. In an age of mass production, there's an increasing appreciation for handmade, artisanal pieces that reflect the skill and dedication of the makers. High-quality wood furniture often showcases the beauty of craftsmanship, with attention to detail and traditional techniques that enhance its durability and aesthetic appeal. By investing in well-crafted wooden pieces, individuals not only acquire functional items, but also support local artisans and the preservation of traditional woodworking skills. In addition to craftsmanship, wood furniture style encourages a connection to nature. The natural qualities of wood bring an organic element into our homes, creating a sense of harmony with the environment. This connection can have positive effects on mental well-being, as studies have shown that natural materials can promote feelings of calm and reduce stress. By incorporating wood furniture into our living spaces, we invite a piece of the natural world into our homes, fostering a calming and restorative atmosphere. The importance of following wood furniture style extends to its impact on our overall well-being. A well-decorated home can significantly influence our mood and mental state. The warmth and authenticity of wood can create a comforting environment that promotes relaxation and contentment. In contrast, overly sterile or artificial materials can contribute to a sense of disconnection and unease. By prioritizing wood furniture style, individuals can cultivate spaces that nurture their mental and emotional health, enhancing their overall quality of life. Moreover, wood furniture style allows for personalization and self-expression. Each piece of wooden furniture carries its own unique character, influenced by the type of wood, the craftsmanship involved, and the design. This individuality enables homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their personal tastes and lifestyles. Whether one prefers a modern, minimalist approach or a more eclectic, bohemian vibe, wood furniture can be tailored to suit individual preferences. This ability to express oneself through design fosters a deeper connection to one's living environment. In the context of changing societal values, wood furniture style can also reflect a shift towards mindful consumption. As individuals become more aware of their choices and their impact on the environment, there's a growing desire for furniture that is not only beautiful, but also responsibly sourced and made. By choosing wood furniture, consumers can align their purchasing decisions with their values, supporting ethical practices and sustainable materials. The social aspect of wood furniture style is also noteworthy. A well-furnished home can serve as a gathering place for family and friends, fostering connections and creating memories. The presence of quality wood furniture can enhance the experience of social interactions, making spaces feel more welcoming and inviting. Whether it's a cozy living room or a dining area designed for shared meals, the right furniture can facilitate meaningful connections and enrich our relationships with others. In addition, wood furniture style is often associated with timelessness. While trends may come and go, the natural beauty of wood endures. This timeless quality allows wood furniture to remain relevant and appealing, regardless of changing fashion fads. Many people find comfort in the familiarity of wooden pieces, which can evoke a sense of nostalgia and continuity in their homes. This enduring appeal makes wood furniture a valuable investment, as it can adapt to evolving styles without losing its charm. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.